Hello, welcome to DROID. We are excited to announce our expansion into the global market with the establishment of a sales and service office in NCR Delhi, India. As a leading wet wipes machine manufacturer, we are committed to providing high-quality wet wipes machines and excellent customer service to our clients around the world. The office in NCR Delhi, India, is going to provide a central hub for DROID sales and service operations in India. This strategic move allows DROID to better serve its customers in India and the surrounding regions by providing them with high-quality wet wipes machine and efficient customer service directly from local office. DROID's India office will offer sales support, wet wipes machine installation, training and maintenance services to ensure the smooth operation of DROID's high-quality wet wipes machines in India. We are excited to be expanding our presence in India and look forward to building strong relationships with our Indian clients. Contact our Indian sales engineer today to start your wet wipes business. Join DROID's happy customers in India. Make your wet wipes cheaper and faster than your competitors.